We have always complained about the East-West Road, East-West Road. Moreover, the Eleme Junction to One route. But nothing happens. At the end of the day, it's a federal road, fine, but it is my people that are suffering. So please, I'm happy that we're about doing this, but I want to appeal that it should not just be a public hearing, question of how much was paid, how much was not paid. We should move far from those much talking and make a definite statement. I know how much that was deducted from FAC for what they call critical national projects. Why was this East-West Road not part of that project? This issue would have been solved. The entire length of the road from Eleme Junction, which I feel is the most important one, which is the one that is giving us the trouble in this state, is not up to 20 kilometers. So I want to thank you again on behalf of the government and the good people of River State, and to assure you that on all parts we'll continue to support you. Our support, even in the state, also affects you in the federal. Anything that has to do with the sustenance of a one Nigeria, that is where we stand. Anything that has to do with improvement, economic improvement, and the security of life and property, both the ones here and around here in River State, will continue to do that for every one of us.